Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. I came to tell you 10 things that can keep your channel little, that can keep your channel small. If you are an upcoming content creator, this video is for you. There are 10 things. 10. If you are still doing these 10 things, your channel will be small, your channel will not grow. This is what I came to tell you. If this is what you're looking for, please just stick around. Please don't touch your dial. I will be right back. Guys, number one is giving up too early. you know Actually, no one told us that it will be like this on YouTube. When you are not into something, you'll be thinking that it's so easy. Actually, let's tell ourselves the truth. YouTube is not easy like that. It requires hard work. Okay, if you want to gain something from this YouTube, it required hard work. All right, so most channels grow slowly at first. If you are new on YouTube, just bear it at the corner of your mind that channel grow slowly here. You understand? You put in work, gradually your channel will be growing. You don't expect to blow immediately. Okay, don't expect to go viral immediately. Even if you don't you don't go viral immediately, but just bear it in mind that one day your channel might go viral. Okay, so this YouTube requires, you understand, requires patience. Many creators quit just before they start gaining traction. People are giving up so easily on this YouTube. So please, if you are small channel, if you are upcoming content creator, if your channel is still small, please don't give up on that channel. Everything will take its rightful place when it is the time. Everything have time, especially. So just the advice I will give you, just put in the work and leave everything for God. As far as you have done your part, you have everything that they ask you to do on your channel, that you set it right and all that, just don't give up easily. Number two is ignoring analytics. Some upcoming YouTuber doesn't know that analytics is the main deal. You understand? Whenever you wake up in the morning, please, after doing everything that you're doing, just go to that analytics and check that video that you post previously and check how the video is. Check when the viewers drop. Check everything about that video. You, at least on your next upload, you get to know what works for you. You understand? If you don't study your data, you will keep repeating what's not working. Exactly. If you don't study your data, maybe you make one video and you know that the video flop, the video didn't fly, and the next time you create exactly that one that flop because you didn't watch your analytics. You understand? So what taking record of your analytics is good for you, so that you will know what is working on your channel. So use YouTube Studio to adjust your strategy. You understand? So you have heard what they are telling you. Always do what? Don't give up. Firstly, don't give up. No matter what, as far as you have started, this is a journey. You have started on this journey, so don't give up. And again, don't ignore your analytics. It's very, very important. I heard someone saying that they don't check the analytics and they don't even know when they get copyright. You understand? I don't know. If you don't know when you get copyright, I don't know, what are you doing here? What are you doing here? You're supposed to know when you get copyright or when they strike you on your channel. So you need to be vigilant on your channel. Put your two eyes on your channel to know what is working for you. The third mistakes that can still keep your channel small is copying instead of creating. So many content creators, so many new creators, they are copying instead of creating. There is nothing bad in copying. Exactly, there's nothing bad in copying. Following trend is fine, actually, but if you are just duplicating others without adding your spin, it won't stand out. You understand? You can copy. When we the creators ask you, or YouTube growth teachers ask you to copy, it's not as if you go and copy words to words. You can copy some things and use it to recreate your own. That is what they are telling you. Don't dub words for words. You understand? It will not make you stand out, because when you dub words for words and you basically upload it on your channel, you may get the views, but just remember that you are the second hand, because so many people have watched that first hand channel that talked about it. So you are the second hand. So for you to stand out on this place, just do your own, create your content. You understand? If you see that some big YouTuber on your niche, there's some content that they are creating that is going viral, you can recreate. You understand? Recreate is not dubbing words for words or copying. This copying that we are telling you, can recreate it, make it to be your own. Put some things inside, remove some things. Understand the thing, understand the trend, understand what you're doing. You know, when you understand what you're doing, that is when you basically have the power to talk about it. You understand? So this is what they are telling you. Copying instead of creating. Don't copy, but recreate. Recreate it, you understand, so that it will make your channel to stand out. Okay, because when you, if you are not coming creators, when you look at all these big creators and you went and copy them and post on your channel, you know, most of everybody is watching those big creators, they will know that this is where you copy. But if you can recreate it, put your own, then at least this is what it's called, creative. All right. And the next one is not asking viewers to subscribe or engage. I keep on telling you, there's nothing harm in you asking your viewers or your audience at the middle of your content, please help me to subscribe, because some people might forget. They may be carried away with the content. They forget to like, they forget to subscribe. Please, let me use this opportunity now. You know, I don't know how to do that, but let me just use this opportunity to ask you, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please, before you watch further, use this opportunity to hit that subscribe button before you forget it, or like the video. First like the video before you continue watching. Okay, just like this video before you continue watching, and you will not regret it. So this is what they are telling you. Sometimes all it takes is a friendly prompt to comment, like, and subscribe. So don't miss a chance. You understand? Don't miss a chance in telling your audience or your viewers to subscribe to your channel. Always remember to say it. Don't be like me that don't remember to post on a video to ask for subscription or from or like. You understand? So just do it on your channel. Take a minute, ask your subscriber, because some people might forget. Some people may be carried away after watching the whole content. They will just swipe off. You understand? So, but when you remind them that they need to subscribe, they need to like the video, and they need to share the video, at least it will stick to their head that, this video, they will even quickly do it before they continue watching. As you're doing my own now, please just share my video. Okay, thank you. So I've lost count. I'll not be taking numbers again. Another one is poor video or audio quality. Yeah, bad sounds or visual make people click away fast. You understand? If you are an upcoming content creator, don't make these mistakes of your video being poor or the visual being poor. It makes people to click away. Invest in basic quality. If you have money, please, if you know that your phone is not loud enough, or your camera or whatever you're using is not loud enough, your audio is not loud enough, you can buy extra mic to it. Okay, you can buy. There's nothing bad. If you have the money, you can buy extra mic. There is nowhere it stated that until you make a YouTube money, that is when you start buying things that you need on your channel. Just figure it out by yourself. Know what you have, know what is working on your channel. The gadget, if you don't have the gadget, you can go and buy. There's nothing bad in it. You understand? After all, you're spending the money on YouTube to bring your channel up. You don't know whether it's that single mic that will even elevate your channel and viewers will come. You understand? So please, poor video and audio quality is very, you should look into. If you're a new upcoming content creator, please look into your visual. Okay, check your video quality and check the audio quality. All right, the next one is not optimizing for search. This is the baba of it all. You know, 10 mistakes that small YouTuber are doing, or small content creator that will even make your channel keep on being small, is after making a video, you don't optimize it before uploading. This is the cocoa. This is the main thing in YouTube 2025. You understand? In this 2025, it's not even about you making a good video that YouTube will come and push it out. The main thing is for you to optimize your video, make it searchable for people. You understand? Make it searchable for audience. Neglecting keywords, tags, and good description makes it hard for people to find your content. You have seen it. So always optimize your video so that your people can find your content. especially when you are small. Make sure, because this is what will stand you out among all these big content creators, to make your channel to be visible. You understand? To make people to know your channel, to make your channel to be searchable. Make sure that you optimize your video. The next one is ignoring audience retention. If most people stop watching in the first 30 to 60 seconds, the video won't be promoted. The video, can you imagine if your viewers stop watching 30 to 60 seconds when they click your video? If they stop watching 30 to 60 seconds, the video won't be promoted. Please try everything possible to hook your audience. You know, we'll be talking about this hook. Make them, for that 30 to 60 seconds, make everything possible for them to be hooked to your video and watch from the beginning to the end. All right, the video won't be promoted. The hooks viewers early and keep them engaged. You understand? Don't go and put the best part at the last. Always bring up that best part from the beginning, so that the viewers will like and stay to your video. You understand? That is the secret. Okay, the next one is no clear niche or focus. Yeah, some people doesn't have clear niche or focus. We'll be talking about this niche and they think we are joking. Please, if you just start your YouTube channel, don't make mistake of not having a niche or not having a focus. You understand? If your content jumps all over the place, viewers don't know what to expect. Exactly. When you do this one, if you see this one, you create. If you see the other one in trending on the other niche, you create, you put it, you add it to your video. Your viewer, the audience doesn't know what to expect. You understand? So try to have a focus or a niche. It will even make the algorithm pushing your video to. Okay, it will make the algorithm to know where they are pushing your video to. All right, the next one is weak thumbnail and title. You understand? If your title aren't clickable and your thumbnail aren't eye-catching, no one will click, even if your content is great. See, make sure that your thumbnail is catchy. You cannot emphasize more on catching or eye-catching thumbnail. Is very, very crucial on YouTube. It's very, very vital. So make sure that your thumbnail is eye-catching and clickable for people. If you like, have the most good content, but without that good title that will draw people to click on your channel, you can see that nobody will watch your video. So the last but not the least is a consistent upload schedule. Not posting regularly confuses both the algorithm and your audience. If you're not posting regularly, if you're not coming content creator, nobody have known you. You understand? You just come into this space newly. Make sure that you upload constantly so that the algorithm will know you, and algorithm will push your content to the right audience. You understand? Not posting regularly confuses both the algorithm and your audience. Consistency build trust and retention. You know, when you are consistent on your channel, you build trust. You understand? You build trust for your audience. You understand? Even if when you have something to sell on your channel, as far as you're consistent, your audience have trust you. They will patronize you because one, you are consistent, you are constantly coming online, you uploading a video. You understand? So this is what they are telling you. I've come to the end of this video. Please, these are the 10 mistakes that small channel do make. Yeah, please, if you're not coming content creator, if you're a new person on this street, please don't make this 10 mistake. It will ruin your channel. All right, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Please make sure you turn on that your bell notification. Whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to be notified. All right, please, you can go through my channel. I have a video for you which you might like, and as well I have a playlist. You can go through my playlist. All right, so like, come your way next time. Take care of yourself. Bye.